Namaskar. Many people ask me questions like, is it good to drink tea? Which tea is best? How and when to drink tea? So, today I am going to give you a recipe for a miracle tea called Hunza tea. This tea is from Hunza Valley in the mountains of northern Pakistan. Hunza people are quite healthy and many are over 100 years. Many diseases that we commonly see in cities do not affect them. Well, one of the reasons for their robust health is Hunza tea. Of course, there may be other reasons also, such as their lifestyle choices. In the Hunza Valley, local people drink Hunza tea every day. And when they are ill and feel that they may get sick, they drink it twice a day. Since these people are so healthy and live long life, this tea is becoming famous around the world. If you try it, you may find out for yourself that this tea is tasty and has many benefits. So let's see what's in Hunza tea. Hunza tea is made with different ingredients such as basil, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, jaggery, and mint. You can make Hunza tea at home by combining these ingredients and brewing them like tea. You may adjust steeping time or the amount of ingredients used based on personal taste preferences. Start by heating some water in a pot. You will need about 2 cups of water for every serving of tea. While the water is heating, prepare the other ingredients. Once the water has come to a boil, reduce the heat and add the ingredients in the pot. Let the tea steep for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the flavor of the ingredients infused in the water and create flavorful and aromatic tea. After the tea has steeped, strain it before serving. If you like your tea sweet, you can add a natural sweetener like jaggery. Stir the tea to ensure that jaggery dissolves evenly. The ingredients used here have many benefits. Basil is a herb related to tulsi. It is rich in antioxidants, which protects your body from cell damage and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Cardamom has anti-inflammatory properties and enhances digestive health. Cinnamon helps to improve blood sugar control and reduces insulin resistance. Ginger helps to reduce inflammation and pain. It also improves digestion and heart health. Jaggery increases iron level in people who are suffering from anemia. Mint has a refreshing flavor and helps in digestion. It also promotes digestive and respiratory health. This is a good tea recipe to avoid cold or to remain healthy during the flu season. Because of all these powerful ingredients used, it acts as an immunity boost. So you see, Hunza tea is a flavorful and aromatic tea that gives many health benefits. Bring this into your daily diet along with healthy lifestyle choices to support your overall health and well-being. Namaskar.